Hey guys, we're gonna design an autonomous car on Scratch. So let's start. We're gonna start with creating a new project. After you log in, you click create and you open a new project and then delete the cat. Now we're gonna name it as autonomous car. And then we're gonna change the backdrop. So let's design our backdrop. We're gonna start with fill in the backdrop with a green color. And then we're gonna select the ellipse tool and fill shape and select the black color. Make an ellipse shape. After that, select a gray color and make another ellipse inside this black and resize this. Alright, and then select another color. I want to select blue. It's up to you to change the color, but just my thinking is to make this like a lake. So the car is gonna be driving around the lake. Alright, so we're done. Next thing, we need to get the sprite. I want to use a race car. So we're gonna go to Google Images and search for race car top-down clip art. And you're gonna find a lot of different race car top-down. I selected this one. And this has background, the transparent background, so make sure it's a transparent background. After that, you save it, save image as. I already saved it on my desktop, so I go back to Scratch and then select the car that I just downloaded. Now I need to resize this, I need to shrink it. Don't make it too big. This size is good. Now I'm ready to start coding. So go to events and then go to control and select forever. After that, we're gonna select the motion, make it 3 steps. So this is gonna make the car go straight forever, but we need to have the car turn curve based on the path. So we're gonna use the if statement, if, and then we're gonna select the sensing. So the idea is, if the car touches on black, it'll turn right. If it touches on gray, it'll turn left. So it's gonna keep the car in between this path. So if touching gray, turn left. Turn left. You may need to modify this degree. I'm gonna make it 8 degrees. Let's see. And duplicate this. Do the same thing. This time touching, if touching color black, This time turn the other way, 8 degrees. And it is important to select exact same color. So I want to show you again. To select the exact same color, you click here and you move your mouse whatever color you want to have, and I want to have this color, so it automatically selects that color. So let's test it now. Press the green flag. Here we go. You can modify the speed. Let's check with faster. Let's make it 5. If you make it too fast, it may go off-road, but let's see. As you see, it's a little getting off, but still stays on the path. So we're pretty much done. It's a simple way of line following autonomous car. You can make it more complicated. It's up to you. Thank you for watching.